Hi everyone and welcome to Sewing Club today. We'll be taking a break next week and then starting a new schedule for fall. Sewing Club will be switching to a monthly schedule for the next several months and will be moving to the last or fourth Tuesday of each month. For today's project, we're going to make a pin holder for a notebook. I'm kind of making this one up as I go along, so we'll see how it turns out. We'll need some elastic, some Velcro, and some regular cotton fabric. Let's begin with the elastic. We'll take our notebook and wrap the elastic around. I'm going to cut this at the exact length because we'll be folding over the ends when we attach the Velcro. Now for the Velcro. We'll cut a small piece to attach to both ends of the elastic. We'll fold over the elastic to the width of the Velcro and then sew in place. Just make sure you're sewing the Velcro onto the ends in a way that they will meet up and connect. Now we'll do a test fit and it looks good. For the fabric, I'm going to cut this piece down so that it's smaller than the width of the notebook. Next, flip the fabric over and then fold over the long edges to hem and clip or pin in place and then sew straight across on both sides. With the fabric right side up, we'll make a pocket for the elastic to slide through. We'll fold over the top of the fabric to just under the elastic and pin or clip one side. Now pull the elastic back out and pin the other side. Sew straight across between your two pins. With that done, we want to fold over and hem the last raw edge. And sew across. Now lay the fabric wrong side up and fold the bottom up and then clip or pin it in the bottom half. We'll also pin the top, but just through one side of the pocket so it's still functional. And now sew, being careful not to close the pocket. Now it's pretty much done, but for an optional finishing bit, I'm going to sew some seams to create smaller pockets to hold the pins more in place. With that done, we can feed the elastic through the pocket. And then wrap it around the notebook. And it's all done.